Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
29.16. So we're told that the distance between the nearest neighbor sodium and chloride ions in solid sodium chloride is 0.24 nanometers. Note that this is a little bit smaller than the value we found in problem 14. So clearly our estimate there is pretty good, but not quite right. So there's something we weren't able to account for in that problem. But anyway, now we want to figure out what the distance is between nearest neighbor sodium ions. And so here we only need to consider sort of one face of a unit cube of sodium chloride. Let's let green be our sodium. And red be our chloride, say. So this distance we're given is called small d, and then let's call the distance between neighboring sodium ions or neighboring chloride ions that are the same apart in order for it to be cubic, capital D. And so now here we have a square, and we need to know the diagonal length of the square. And it's a fact from geometry that you've probably seen enough to remember, and if not, you can just use the Pythagorean theorem here to determine that the diagonal of a square is the square root of 2 times the side length. And so the nearest neighbor sodium atoms are going to be 0.34 nanometers apart.